sometimes you gotta bolt off because they won't let you get over. That's how I do when I'm in the truck. Well, you gonna let me on? Put the turn signal on and move over. All right, we're going to get this freshly ceramic coated. Is that a trampoline place?
Yep.
You want to have your birthday party there? Remember when you told me you wanted a trampoline birthday party?
I told you I wanted a trampoline, but I never said anything about
Oh,
birthday.
no, a hot bottle or a hot balloon or something. I think it's the next one. Yeah, it's actually its own down. I guess I probably should have called this guy, but go in here. Oh no, you can't go in there.
Daddy!
My bad. He said 4 o'clock. Oh, there she is right there.
She?
Yeah. My car has a name. You wanna know what the name is?
I think your car is sweet.
The car has a name though.
What is it, Bertha?
Charlene. She look like a Charlene.
Remember you named your expedition Bertha?
That was my the purple car.
Oh.
That was my purple truck. Which one named Bertha? Oh, the black expedition. Look at that shine, Klein. Man, why you riding around on a car? You like,
What's he doing, rapping?
he dancing and shit? Maybe he the one that did the ceramic coat. We finna do an inspection. I need your eyes on it too, cause
I said I gotta get out.
I mean, if you can look from inside the car, but just pull up in here. Shit. We gonna park wherever. It is, ain't it? Oh yeah, they got that baby right.
I wanna see it.
Well, come on and see. You can pay for it. You don't want to pay for it? Just like a woman. She want to see it, but she don't want to pay for it. Yeah, look at this. Look at that bad boy. What's up, man? This the man right here, folks.
Your GoPro's better than mine, and I left mine in Houston.
My what?
Your GoPro's better than mine, and I left mine in Houston.
This
little
little 5 is bad, man. 5 ain't no joke.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, look at that baby. You have no problems with it?
Oh no, not at all.
Oh yeah. Dang, y'all did the wheels too?
Oh yeah. Every bit of it, brother. It's a gold package. That's what you're paying for, baby. How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Yeah, that works right there.
Shorty. What's up? Come meet the man. This is Shorty. He was with me on this project.
Oh, hey.
He works here at Defcon. How you doing?
Hey, what's up, man? You did the hookup?
Yep.
I seen you.
Majority of it.
I seen him out here dancing.
Yeah, he's pretty hyped up.
He's hyped up.
Yeah, he's our when we throw the cars and shit outside, he's our guy. He's out here dancing and shit. But yeah, he did.
I seen him
He
up
took
here
over
doing
majority
flips
of
and stuff.
the paint correction on this.
So you had to do the 2 like you said?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it was
in bad
pretty
shape.
from the dealership, but it got out pretty easy.
Oh, okay.
Softening and paint just takes a cut and polish, man.
Yeah, it looks good, man. That's what I'm talking about right there. I might keep it now.
Yeah. You might.
I might. I mean, I was up in the air. Oh yeah, that works right there.
Get us on YouTube. Should I?
Yeah. Y'all, this is a team right here. That's the crew. What is it, Defcon?
Yes, sir. Defcon.
Come up here. This guy was just asking me about it. Ask me how do I think it is? Is it worth it? I'm gonna say yeah. It's definitely worth it. Do y'all do the insides too?
Yeah. Well, we can ceramic coat the inside. I noticed you have the towels on there, so if you want, we can talk about ceramic coating some of that leather as well. I know you got the red leather in there.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't know y'all did the inside. I definitely want to look at that.
Well, we didn't coat the inside. We just cleaned it up.
That's what I mean. I want to look at having it coated though.
Let's do it. Let's look at coating it.
Yeah, I might have to save some more money though. Yep. There you go, folks. Ceramic coated. What you think, Nina? She want me to do her car next. Them wheels. Oh, you do the calipers too?
Oh yeah. Where can I tell the guys on Snapchat to find you out on YouTube?
What is it? Jay don't know no better.
Jay don't know no better.
Yeah.
Hit him up. Give him a
J-A-Y
follow.
don't know no better. Yeah, man. Hook
Check
me
out
up.
his video. You guys know what to do.
Yeah, this is.
They probably will. Snapchat's gone insane over this. They love the black on red.
Oh,
I
really?
do too. This has come like. This made me think I might actually need to get a Corvette Grand Sport.
You like speed?
Yeah.
You might want to go with the other one. This is not nearly as fast.
If we like speed.
You go with the Z06.
Z06.
Yeah, I mean this is all right for on the street, but I mean it.
Well, it's no twin turbo.
Yeah, I mean I'm not a speed guy, but I thought this would be enough. But
yeah.
you find out that 460 is just it's okay.
Yeah. It's enough to maybe kill you, but
yeah, it'll kill you.
Your pants.
Oh yeah, I've been flipped around the wrong way a couple of times, not realizing I had traction control off and all that stuff. But yep.
Oh,
all right, man, let's settle up. Hey everybody, get your car ceramic coated. Nick Defcon.
Yes, sir.
He ain't got to sign up, y'all, but he gonna get there, right?
Yeah. No, they're actually working on it right now.
Yeah. Come check him out, man. Come check it out.